northeast. The wind is blowing, and yes, we've had some marvelous 60+ degree days in the last month of our lives, but we've also had 2 feet of snow, and earlier in the week all of this field was gloriously unfrozen, and I got all these emails, people saying, when can I plant? It's time to plant, right? I can plant. When can the soil be worked? It's now, right? Great questions. And so I'm here to say I am going to do a much more in-depth conversation video of how to tell whether your soil is truly ready to be worked or not. But not yet, because the ground is actually frozen. So the moral of the story, 2 things. First, you just never know. A year ago, I look back on my calendar and we had already harvested ramps and fiddleheads for Easter. There was we were plowing these fields. It was warm, it was dry, it was a totally different year. And this year it's been very cold and very wet, and it's continued to get colder. It's April 5th. And so there's no hard and fast rule on the calendar saying when the soil can be worked. It's all about texture. And I'm so super excited for it to thaw and to give you some further perspective on what things to be looking for, so you know when the soil can be worked, when seeds can be sown. But especially if you're doing any tillage this spring, it's totally essential that you wait till the perfect moment where it's not too cold and it's not too wet. Otherwise, you can be literally destroying your soil structure for years to come. So stay tuned for that video. In the meantime, stay warm and happy spring from the Finger Lakes.